Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka muamba na atongoi angi asakue kyamani atongoi mbai ya Mukamba na makanisa kwi umunthi nimatambuka musyi kwa mututia Raila Odinga kisioni cha Bondo kauntini ya Siaya kunengane ukiakisyo kwa musyi wake vamwe na kuvika kavulini kake kumbulilikana ndini wa uneni wake Kalonzo ni wawetakana ndabuka ita ya vata ya kumulikana mututia Raila na ula kwa vamwe vindani ivitu maimustali ni wambe kukitia mawali ukuma kiutongoi vandhi ya Kenya watondo masi Augustus ukuelesianikana muka wa Raila Aida Odinga ni wa mutungia Kalonzo muvea aimuetata munyanya wa Raila kwa ivinda yasa na unyanya wo wenyesa uvewa na iveka.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka ni watongoesya atongoi na tumia mbai ya Mukamba kuthi kunengane Ndaia Muthya kwa ulonai mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga kuya Kang'O ka Jaramogi Bondo kauntini ya Siaya vala watwa ng'ombe yana imutamidhinzio kwa musyi Chathini ki Kalonzo ni waelesya ulunesi lile ivinda yumu na mututia Raila kumana na kwithi wa thayu wo unekalawe muisyoni nundu wa kuleana na serikali.
The gentleman lying here would have been the commander-in-chief of the defense forces of the Republic of Kenya. We've been to the trenches with my brother. On one occasion in 2023, when Kenyans were saying the cost of living was unbearable, some of us wore sufurias. We nearly got killed, and Raila and I escaped from Embakasi South. How we did it was amazing. It was like the orders were given that day to kill us, mainly to kill Raila Odinga. We counted 10 bullet attempts on my brother Raila Odinga. If it was not that he was having an armored vehicle, we would have buried him in 2023. But God is gracious.
Kavindani kau Kalonzo ni wathana mututia Raila kana vala unatilile kau wa demokrasia na akisya mwene nthi wenu kuthi kuendesya muka wake mututia Raila mama Aida Odinga ayasya ni Kalonzo anaye munyanya wawo wa mututia Raila na ulu wa mukwatie Raila mbaundwisa kuvyaiwa itheka.
We said resist, and I want my brother to know that when it comes to bad governors, we will continue to resist. I want my brother lying here to know they called him names. We are burying here a man of God who laid his life for the sake of this nation. This is not a mganga who is lying here. This is not a mchawi who is lying here. So we must get those things so our brother rests in peace. And nobody should ever use those names again or associate the Odinga family na uchawi na uganga. On my part, I'll never have worked with a mganga or mchawi. We went through plenty with this brother, and to assure him that the values he lived for will never die with him. In fact, is more powerful in death than when he was alive.
There's one thing Baba wanted and has never materialized. That is called a free and fair election.
Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka has been a friend of Baba for many, many years. And that friendship cannot be wiped out. Cannot. When you see him coming here with his team, he's dreaming. He's dreaming. Because he's come to mourn his friend. He has come to mourn his friend.
Kalonzo easya atongoi angi ngalikoni ya ulei ta mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua nimekuka Kang'o ka Jaramogi kumunenga mututia Raila Odinga Ndaia Muthya muneni wa musyi Raila Junior ayasya ni mavingu itemwanya kwa andu onthe kuka kulilikana Odinga.
I know that the Kikuyu nation, for example, will come. Our brother Rigiji would want to come. And those who spoke badly spoke for themselves. And others will come. The Luyas were here with a lot of cows.
My father was a Pan-Africanist, and he was a national leader. So he welcomed everyone, which is what we as a family are doing as well. We want to welcome everyone home.
Ndilivotia vilingi wa mauvo wa Mutongoi TV. Nye, neta wa Masi Augustus.